Virgin Voyages cabin tablet features.
Okay, so this is the tablet for the room, right? So it controls everything in the room. So here's your room controls, right? Let's see if I make it go. Okay. And you can control the lighting in the room, more light, less light. You can control the light on the desk, the ambiance in the room, and your temperature. You can make it hotter, colder. And then entertainment is your movies. So you've got the movie tab. These are all the movies you can choose from, lots of movies. Or you can do series. So these are like TV series, HBO series. And then Virgin is like your muster drill video, shopping videos, things about the ship, things about whatever Virgin's got going on, right? Ship eats. Who's going to be ordering? Well, let's say that Robin's going to order. And I want it delivered to my cabin. It's going to be 40 to 60 minutes. What do I want to order? Well, here we go. It's either deliver now or pre-order breakfast. So we've got snacks. And they're all free. Popcorn, gummy bears, chocolate covered pretzels, trail mix. Then starters. Hummus, a wedge salad. There's all kinds of things. It's all free. It's all zero cost. Mains, cheeseburger, cauliflower steak, bass, chicken breast, New York strip, grilled New York strip, zero cost. Look at that. Desserts. So I'm scrolling, but you can also just hit the tabs. So you can jump to desserts, and there's your zero cost desserts. Then you got beer by the can. And beer is $8. Most of the beers are $8. Some are $9. Then you got cocktails. Moscow Mule, $11. So it's not a whole lot of cocktails to choose from, but there are cocktails there. Then you got full bottles of wine. Full bottles of wine. Then you've got premium non-alcoholic drinks. There's your Red Bull, sugar-free Red Bull, juice, all kinds of things to choose from there. Then moving on to the coffees. So we have coffee, espresso, double espresso. Espresso is $4. That's actually a pretty good price for espresso. Cappuccino, $5. That's a good price for a cappuccino. And then you've got teas. Joho Tea is their custom tea that they have on board. Breakfast tea, mint, hibiscus rose, all kinds of teas to choose from. Beverage essentials. This is your Cokes, your sodas. All zero cost. Look there. All of it zero cost. And then you've got the V is for vegetarian. 2 V's is for vegan. GF is gluten-free. GFO means it has a gluten-free option, meaning like the salad could be a gluten-free option without the croutons. So that is how you use, let's say you was going to order something, right? Let's say add it to the basket, and then you would tell it, whatever you wanted. We're taking it out of the basket though because we're not ordering anything. So, service. Do you need fresh towels? Your cabin cleaned? Your bed made? You want some water, ice, laundry pickup, Sharpie container, or maintenance? There's something wrong in your room you need taken care of. And then this is the information. So the red book, that's Virgin Voyages rules, right? And safety on board, that's your safety video, and then the security guide. So this is if you needed help with security. I mean, it tells you all about, things with you're not allowed to take stuff off the ship, And then there is your video. It's not playing right now because we've already had our video. And then the red book, these are all your rules. So it tells you, it's captain's letter. It tells you all about room service and medical, all that stuff. Whatever you need to know about Rockstar quarters, the sailor cabin, beverages, the spa, the beach club at Bimini, medical, non-smoking, laundry, your next cruise, all that. That is the whole app. And then this up here, this controls the lighting in your room. And that button is for your TV. And that's it. Whee!
Thanks for joining us on finding out how the app works on all of Virgin Voyages ships. We are Sea Lake Journeys. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.